Hey everybody, today we'll be showing you a healthier spin on apple crisp to help you warm up in the colder fall months. You'll need 3 Granny Smith apples cut into 1/4-inch slices, a half a cup of dried cranberries, 3/4 cup of rolled oats, a third of a cup of whole grain pastry flour, a 1/4 cup of packed dark brown sugar, 3 tablespoons of thawed apple juice concentrate, a tablespoon of granulated sugar, 3 tablespoons of butter, a 1/4 teaspoon of salt, and a 1/4 teaspoon of ground allspice. To start, add the apples, cranberries, apple juice concentrate, and granulated sugar to a large mixing bowl and mix. Then add your oats, flour, brown sugar, butter, salt, and allspice to a medium mixing bowl. Mix with your hands to form crumbs. Next, prep a 9x9 baking pan with cooking spray, then add the apple mixture and top with the oat crumble. Heat your oven to 425 degrees, cover with foil and bake for 20 minutes. Then remove the foil, bake again for 5 to 10 minutes until the top is golden brown. Let cool for 10 minutes before serving and enjoy!